In today's video, I am going to teach you how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. Now, in Google Sheets there isn't a true split cell feature for breaking one cell into new cells. What most people mean by splitting horizontally is actually unmerging a cell that was previously merged across columns in the same row. That's exactly what we'll do, and it only takes a moment. First, open your spreadsheet and find the merged cell you want to separate. You'll usually notice it because the content spans across several columns in one row. Appearing like a wide, single cell, click once to select that merged cell. If you are not sure whether it's merged, look for the faint border lines across the columns. Merged cells won't show those internal dividers. With the cell selected, go to the toolbar at the top and find the Merge Cells button. It looks like an icon with overlapping rectangles and typically sits near the alignment and text wrapping tools. If that button is highlighted, it means the selection is currently merged. Click it once, and Google Sheets will unmerge the selection immediately. You should see the original cell boundaries reappear across that row. If you prefer using the menu or can't spot the icon, T here is a reliable alternative. At the top, click Format, then hover over Merge Cells and choose Unmerge. This does the exact same thing. If you don't see Unmerge available, double-check that you've selected a merged cell. The option only appears when it makes sense for your selection. After unmerging, the content returns to its original format. Practically, this means the text or value from that merged area will appear in the top left cell of what used to be the merged range. Because we're dealing with a horizontal merge, that's usually the leftmost cell in the same row. The other cells in the range become regular, empty cells again. A couple of quick tips to tidy up after unmerging. If the text looks cut off, you can slightly widen the column so everything is visible, or adjust text wrapping so longer entries display cleanly. Nothing is lost in the unmerge, you are just restoring the individual cells. And if you change your mind, press undo to revert instantly. That's all there is to it. Select the merged cell, unmerge it from the toolbar or the Format menu, and your sheet goes back to individual cells across that row. Thanks for watching.